Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about Sony cameras and why choosing the best Sony camera for beginners is so important. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your equipment, having the right camera can make all the difference. When it comes to photography, having a good camera that fits your needs is crucial. Sony has a wide range of cameras that cater to different levels of experience, styles and preferences, so finding the best one for you can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we've done the research for you and picked the top 3 best Sony cameras for beginners 2023. Number 3. Sony A6000. This camera was released in 2014, and even though it has been around for quite some time, it's still one of the best mirrorless cameras for beginners. First of all, let's talk about the specs. The Sony A6000 is equipped with a 24.3 MP APS-C HD CMOS sensor that can produce stunning images with excellent detail and dynamic range. It also has an 11 frames per second shooting capability, which makes it ideal for capturing fast-moving action. The ISO range of 100 to 25,600 means that you can shoot in a variety of lighting conditions, and the full HD 60p video recording is perfect for capturing high-quality video footage. One of the standout features of the Sony A6000 is its autofocus system. It's incredibly fast, and can acquire a subject in as little as 0.06 seconds. This makes it a great choice for action photography, as well as portraits, landscapes, and street photography. The Sony A6000 is also a fantastic value for money. With a price range of £419 to £499 with a lens, or around $650 with a lens, it's one of the best budget cameras you can buy. There are also plenty of E-mount lenses designed specifically for APS-C cameras, so you won't feel shortchanged when it comes to the glass. The design of the Sony A6000 is also sleek and attractive, making it a great camera to carry around with you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Sony A6000 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and affordable mirrorless camera. However, the Sony A6000 is starting to show its age when it comes to video. It predates the 4K boom, and doesn't have a mic jack. This means that if you're looking to shoot professional quality video, you may want to consider a different camera. Number 2. Sony Alpha A1. This is a camera that sits at the very top of Sony's lineup, designed for professionals and those looking for the best of the best. Now, I know what you're thinking, why is this the best camera for beginners? Well, hear me out. While it might not be the most budget-friendly option, the Sony A1 is the perfect camera for those who are serious about their photography and want to invest in a top-quality piece of equipment. With its 50.1 MP full-frame XMR RS CMOS sensor and the ability to shoot at 30 frames per second with full resolution and autofocus, this camera is truly remarkable. The Sony A1 is also a great choice for bird and wildlife photography, with its incredible burst speeds and class-leading viewfinder. It excels at everything, from landscape photography to portrait photography and everything in between. And when it comes to video, the Sony A1 can record 8K video at 30 frames per second, so you'll be able to capture your memories in stunning detail. But of course, all this advanced technology and high-end features come at a price. The Sony A1 is absurdly expensive, and it's definitely not a camera for everyone. However, if you're serious about your photography and want to invest in a camera that will take your skills to the next level, then the Sony A1 is definitely worth considering. So, that's our take on the Sony Alpha A1 and why it could be the best Sony camera for beginners. Of course, this is just one option, and there are plenty of other great Sony cameras out there that offer excellent value for money. But if you're looking for the ultimate Sony camera, then the A1 is definitely worth a closer look. Number 1. Sony A7 IV, one of the best full-frame mirrorless cameras on the market. This camera is a great option for beginner photographers who want a well-rounded camera that can handle a variety of shooting scenarios. The Sony A7 IV features a 33-megapixel full-frame XMR CMOS sensor, which delivers excellent image quality and captures amazing detail. The camera is capable of shooting at 10 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving action, and the autofocus system is super fast and accurate, ensuring you never miss a shot. The ISO range of 50 to 204,800, extended, allows you to capture clear images even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Sony A7 IV is its 4K video recording capabilities. With 30p recording, you can shoot beautiful, high-quality videos that you'll be proud to share with your friends and family. The camera also features a fully articulating LCD screen, making it easier to take photos and videos from a variety of angles. The Sony A7 IV is compatible with the impressive range of full-frame E-mount lenses, allowing you to customize your system according to what you plan to shoot. Whether you're interested in landscapes, portraits, or action photography, there's a lens that will suit your needs. In conclusion, if you're looking for a well-rounded camera that can handle a variety of shooting scenarios, the Sony A7 IV is a great option. Its excellent image quality, fast autofocus system, and impressive video recording capabilities make it a great camera for beginner photographers. And with its high-resolution viewfinder and fully articulating screen, you'll have all the tools you need to take your photography to the next level. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more great content like this. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that our information on the top 3 best Sony cameras for beginners was helpful in guiding you towards your next photography adventure. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear, these cameras are excellent choices for anyone looking to get into photography. Remember, choosing the right camera is just one piece of the puzzle. It's important to also invest in good lenses and accessories to make the most of your camera and get the shots you want. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, keep on capturing those amazing moments.